In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Excel to default settings. If Excel has started behaving oddly, toolbars look different, or add-ins and customizations are getting in the way, resetting it back to defaults can help. We'll do this safely by repairing your Microsoft Office installation, which reverts many Excel settings without touching your personal files. Before we begin, save your work and close Excel and any other Office apps so the repair can run smoothly. First, open the Windows control panel and go to Programs and Features. The fastest way is to use the search bar on your taskbar. Type Control Panel, open it, then choose Programs and click Programs and Features. This is where Windows lists everything that's installed on your computer. Next, locate your Microsoft Office installation in the list. Depending on your subscription or version, it might be labeled Microsoft 365 Apps, Microsoft Office 2019, Office 2021, or similar. If you have a long list, you can sort by name to make it easier to find. You're looking for the main Office suite entry, not individual apps. Now right-click the Microsoft Office entry and choose Change. On some systems, you might select the entry and then click Change near the top of the window. If Windows prompts you to allow changes, click Yes. This opens the Office Repair tool, which is designed to fix problems across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the rest of the suite. When the repair options appear, select Quick Repair, then click Repair to start. Quick Repair runs locally on your PC, doesn't require an internet connection, and usually completes in just a few minutes. It scans for corrupted files, resets many application settings to their defaults, and can disable problematic add-ins or customizations that may be causing issues in Excel. It's a safe first step that preserves your documents and workbooks. You'll see a progress window while the repair runs. It's normal for the screen to flash or for Office apps to briefly disappear during this process. Just let it complete without opening any Office programs. When it finishes, open Excel again. You should notice that the interface feels fresh and back to factory defaults, with standard ribbons, toolbars, and settings restored. If you had customizations before, you can reapply only the ones you actually need, which often keeps Excel running more smoothly. That's it. By using Quick Repair through Programs and Features, you've effectively reset Excel to its default state in a safe, supported way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to a clean, reliable Excel experience.